Here's some Confucian philosophy trivia. Subscribe. Who is the founder of Confucianism? Is it A. Zhuangzi, B. Confucius, C. Laozi, or D. Sun Tzu? The correct answer is B. Confucius. What Chinese term refers to filial piety? Is it Anzi, De, Si, or Xiao? The correct answer is D. Xiao. Who compiled the Analects after Confucius' death? Is it A. Disciples, B. Socrates, C. Plato, or D. Aristotle? The correct answer is A. Disciples. What is the term for virtue in Confucianism? Is it A. B. De, C. Xiao, or D. Jing? The correct answer is B. De. Which concept denotes righteousness in Confucian thought? Is it A, B, C, Ren, or G? The correct answer is B. In which country did Confucianism originate? Is it A, China, B, Korea, C, Japan, or D, Vietnam? The correct answer is A, China. What is the term for governance based on virtue? Is it A, meritocracy, B, junzi, C, theocracy, or D, aristocracy? The correct answer is junzi. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.